So guys, while we're trying to get this all together and running, so we're hoping to get this thing together, running, and tested before September. September, the car's going to go up north to race a buddy of mine who's also got a G-body, Cutlass. I think his is a 78 or 9. Mine's an 85, 442. Mine has everything in it from the factory. It still has seats, this, that, everything else, cruise control, AC, power antenna, I have everything. His car's sitting there, no dash, no windows, no nothing inside. It's completely stripped out. He says it's a street car. I don't know. We're running similar setups. I'm running a 6-liter, he's running a 5.3. Both of us are on a Thule Stage 2 cam. Same intake manifolds. I think he's running an 80-pound injector on a stock ECU. I'm running, I think, a 1300 injector on Terminator X. I'm going to do E85. He's going to run pump with meth injection. I believe that's how that's going to go. He's running one 525 in the tank, or one 550 Hellcat. I'm running two Hellcats in the tank. What else? Both 4 LEDs. Converters are roughly the same stall, around 30, I don't know, 5 to 800, somewhere in there. I think that's it as far as setup. No cages in either car. But I am considerably heavier. This car is going to be way heavier than his car. Especially if he leaves everything out of it, which he's going to do. 10 bolt that came with the 442. He's running a 8.8. It's been narrowed a little bit, so his frame rails are cut. It's the Explorer 31 spline with the axle flip. That's what he's running. So he's going to have more tire. Most likely he'll have more tire because he's a cheater. Everything else I think is the same. I don't know if I'm missing some stuff, but I'm going to do there's a video. I'm going to put it in his car, and you tell me. Put it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. All right, see ya. Ken has plenty of brick map sensors.
That junkhead.
Yours is a lot tighter back there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Pretty sure mine's a lot further forward.
Okay. So I'm a little further back than you.
Yeah, at least 3/4 of an inch.
Yep. There's that Jeep steering shaft too, which gets rid of the rag joint in it. So
yeah, I'm gonna go to those one eventually. Fucking hydro boost. Yeah. Let's go look at this turbo. You guys, I don't hear the pump. I didn't hear any pump.
Oh, yeah.
Big ass turbo. Big ass turbo.
Yeah, I heard the pump. I bet there's no fucking gas in it.
This is Ken trying to cold start. Well, what does the gauge say over there?
There's no gauge.
On the fuel pump. Doesn't have any pressure. It's got no fucking gas
There's
in
no
it.
pressure in it.
It's got no pressure?
Got no pressure. I'll go get some gas.
You ain't got no gas.
I'll go get some gas and put it in there.
You got gas here?
I don't know if I
You have to run out.
Here's my overflow tank for my
Oh, I like the overflow tank.
Mazda parts.
Mazda.
RX-7.
Just cut one hole down there. Yeah, see, Ken, I went right through here.
Yeah.
I think I have a little bit more room.
Let's run out of my intercooler.
Oh, you didn't finish it?
No, I didn't want the turbo hooked up with not having the good, what do you call it to it?
Good, what do you call it?
Map sensor and shit.
Oh.
I didn't want it to override.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
You know?
You think it's going to make anything?
I don't know.
Mine doesn't make shit until you rev it.
There's the
That's why I just turned this. This thing's was sticky.
Is it?
It was. It's moving now. Anodized red. Little tiny radiator. You ain't getting away with that in Florida, bud.
No. The dual fans, dude. Check it out, man.
Dude, I like that hose. What hose is this?
Chevy Avalanche hose. That cool. Both fans come on at the same time. Ground trip. Use the breakers for it, and then the batteries and shit's in the trunk.
What's this?
That's the
Vacuum
line.
leak?
No, that's the vacuum line that'll be going to, it is a vacuum leak right now. It'll eventually be going to the friggin'
This is what we're up against, people. Car with no glass and no interior.
Big glass.
It's for the big race. Big giant turbo. The red anodized fucking compressor wheel. It's got an O2 sensor that goes nowhere. We don't care about the O2 sensor, I guess. He says it's not a race car. There's no shortage of 488s around here either. This tiny power steering pulley. Ken, cycle the key again? Oh, he's not here. Here's his fuel pressure gauge. It says 0. That's why we ain't starting. Got no pressure. It's pressureless. So you can wait in the car if you want. No dashboard, no nothing. He's gonna drive this shit down the road like this. He's gonna tell me it's street legal. With a bought an inspection sticker. Damn, Ken, you got a mess in here, buddy. Fucking wiring, dude. Oh, I mean, not like the shit. It's like the fucking wiring shit. You're gonna put taillights in it for the race, or you're gonna save those for weight savings?
No, we'll put those.
Where's the... It's a regular fuel fill, right?
Yeah.
Oh, geez, she's gonna take that off for the race too. He's really shaving this thing down on weight savings.
Here's the gas.
You gotta go get some?
Yeah.
Am I blocking it? Selena, you wanna move that car fan? We'll get in the car and wait for him to get back. And this is the race car. This is his street vehicle that he said. We're gonna race this thing. With no door panels, and no dashboard, no nothing. He says it weighs the same as a car with all the interior. I don't know if I believe him. He might be lying to us. I'm gonna put up a poll on YouTube, Ken. See who agrees with you. 5.3. Brian Tooley, stage 2.
Yep.
80 millimeter. Poly manifolds. Tiny ass pulley on the power steering pump. That goes a couple thousand RPM. To idle. Those look like the van coils. I don't know what those coils are. Four-inch intercooler. 80 millimeter turbo. What turbo is this, Ken?
The Brian Tooley turbo.
It's a Brian Tooley. He likes Brian Tooley turbo. 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter. Yeah, fire it up, man. We're trying to start it. Hey, cycle that pump.